Five facts about the wealth. 5 facts about the wealthiest Americans. A more correct sequel to 5 facts about Jeff Bezos' wealth. No, you do not need to watch the first one. It has bad math. Good video, but bad math, so it kind of ruins it. Before we begin, the richest guy on earth, according to some sources, lives in France, and his name is Bernard Arnault. But some sources say it's Jeff Bezos. Actually, a bit more sources, so who knows who's the richest man? I think it's Jeff Bezos. Maybe that source is just old. Anyways. Fact 1. The top 10 billionaires own 1.05 trillion collectively. That's a lot of cash. Fact 2. 8 of America's richest billionaires increased their wealth more than $1 billion. This is very noticeable for Elon Musk. He went from 20th richest billionaire to second. $144 billion, a $144 billion increase. This was over the pandemic. Just wanted to say. Fact 3. This is a math one. This is in the short scale for you French and Spanish speaking folks. If one singular A equals $100,000, then 1 million is this many A's. 10 million is this many A's. 100 million is this many A's. And remember, 1 A equals $100,000. So, yeah. And this is 1 billion. It's this many $100,000. Let's set 1 billion, all of this, to equal E. The 369th richest people have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 billion dollars. 7 E. Basically this 7 times. And remember, one of these little A's equals $100,000. So 7 billion. Nice. Jeff Bezos has $179 billion, which is this 179 billion times. Fact 4. The 400th wealthiest Americans own as much wealth as the bottom 64%, more than 2/3 of the nation's household wealth. More than 2/3 of the nation's household wealth. So much money. And America's 3 richest billionaires, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett, own as much wealth as the bottom half of all U.S. households combined. 9 Mind-Blowing Facts About America's Richest People by Hillary Hoffauer. Insider's website. Fact 5. I can't hold it in. Look at this rich people chart I made. Hashtag equals numbers. These are the most recent numbers I could find, guys, so give me a break. This is the wealth increase over the pandemic, and this is richest person ranking. Jeff Bezos. He got an $86 billion increase, number 1 in the world. Remember, he had money before this. Then there's Elon the Musk, $144 billion, as we discussed before, second. Bill Gates, $22 billion. Mark Zuckerberg, did I say Zuckerberg? I'm sorry. Mark Zuckerberg, $35 billion. Warren Buffett, $13.6 billion. Larry Ellison, $34 billion. Larry Page, $42 billion. Sergey Brin, $41 billion. Steve Ballmer, $22.3 billion. And Alice Walton, $14.6 billion. And she is number 10. Surprise number 6. Remember the E's and A's. It costs $20 billion to end homelessness in the U.S. It costs $25 billion to end hunger in the U.S. Of course, this number might be slightly higher because unexpected stuff, so maybe it costs $10 billion extra for each. So 30 plus 35 billion equals $65 billion. That's how much it costs to end homelessness and hunger. Probably a bit, actually, probably more, but I think that's a good estimate. Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk could solve these issues lickety-split with just the money gained from the pandemic. Actually, let's do some more calculated math. But, we shouldn't trust them to, end hunger or homelessness. Probably make it Amazon Social Welfare Edition. Smile. So, all their pandemic bonuses combined equals this ungodly number. $413 billion, 541 million. Subtract 65 billion, 348 billion, 541 million is left. That number. This is what's left from the pandemic bonuses of the billion top 10. What else could we do just from what's left? Comment down below. Thank you. Read this slide. Eat water and drink your food. And don't forget to triangulate. And I think this is supposed to be one challenge. Read one of the sources, I'll link below the vid. Also, like and subscribe. Subscribe now.